everyone. Today, sustainability and compliance teams face a massive challenge: tracking carbon footprints across highly complex supply chains while maintaining a legally defensible audit trail. EcoChain 24 is an autonomous multi-agent carbon auditing system built to address this material risk by making emissions tracking real-time, automated, and fully verifiable. So what is it? Our agent belongs to the Agents for Good track. It functions as a complete digital carbon ledger that continuously ingests invoices, shipping manifests, and utility logs, converts them into 1, 2, and 3 emission figures, and runs validation logic to check for compliance gaps and anomalies. As you can see in the screen, EcoGen 24 integrates modern multi-agent network, secure validation ledgers, and automated CSRD reporting into one unified platform to turn raw carbon accounting into verified intelligence. Now let's see the workflow architecture. As you can see, let us walk through the system architecture. The entire workflow is conducted by our orchestrator agent, which coordinates our specialist agents. First, incoming data goes through the security checkpoint and we can check authorization and scrub data. Next, the ingestion agent normalizes invoices, which are calculated by a calculation agent. The calculation agent accesses custom emission datasets from our STDIO MCP server. Okay. From there, the supplier audit agent aggregates sustainability tier profiles while the anomaly detection checks. If anomalies are found, the record is quarantined for human auditor verification. Finally, the compliance agent maps results to CSRD and GHG protocol frameworks, and the report agent generates the board summaries. Now let us watch the live demo. My Google ADK has some issues, so I'm using my other code editor tool. So the calculation agent receives in stage 1, the calculation agent receives the GLEC diesel factor from MCP server, computing 3.22 metric tons of CO2 equivalent emissions. The orchestrator immediately flags this mismatch, freezes the record, and notifies the compliance officer. Finally, in scope 2, dual reporting, the renewable electricity tariff. The calculation agent runs both location and market-based calculations side by side, outputting 0.00 tons for market-based disclosures. All of this is generated into our board summary HTML document. Now let's talk about security and MCPs. Security is packed into the foundation. Our system checkpoint enforces strict least privilege token access for MCP tools, while the database records every single agent decision in an immutable, cryptographically changed audit ledger. Our MCP server exposes standardized factor lookup, document parsing, and warning dispatch utilities across the agent network. Now let's talk about the impact of this agent. By shifting carbon auditing from a retrospective spreadsheet task into an always-on automated workflow, EcoChain 24 helps sustainability officers, external auditors, and operation managers slash cycle times by 80% and build bulletproof disclosures. EcoChain 24 makes carbon visible, auditable, and legally defensible. Thank you.